Welcome everyone, myself Revati Deshmukh. I am from MSc second year semester 4th. In today's video we see the proximate analysis of fuel. Before starting the topic, firstly we know the analysis of fuel. Knowing the quality of fuel is known as the analysis of fuel. There are two categories to calculate the analysis of fuel. So today we discuss the proximate analysis in detail. In proximate analysis we determine or calculate the four different percent compositions. So first one is moisture percent. After moisture we determine the second category, which is volatile matter percent. Means in fuel sample how much amount of vaporizing elements are present, then these vaporizing elements or materials which converts into a gaseous form. After that, third point comes which ash or residue percentage. After calculating ash or residue percent, if we mix all three portions, which are moisture percent, volatile matter percent and ash or residue, so with the help of all these three we can calculate fixed carbon percent. In proximate analysis, we study how to calculate these 4% compositions. Our first step is for moisture, then volatile matter, then ash, and last one is for fixed carbon percent. So we start the process. To complete this process, we firstly need air-dried powdered coal. We have a coal sample, we converted it into a powder form and then we dried it in air so that some amount of moisture is removed from coal because we dried it in air. Then we weigh the air dried powder before any further proceeding. So whatever weight we get, suppose it is gram. Now we place this coal into a hot air oven for 1 hour at 110 degrees Celsius to know the moisture percent, so that when our coal is in hot air oven at 110 degrees Celsius, all the moisture of coal get removed because we already placed the coal into oven for sufficient time. And as we know, the vaporizing point of any moisture or water content is 100 degrees Celsius, so on precautionary basis we already keep the temperature little bit high. After, for cooling the coal, keep it in desiccator. Actually, desiccator is an apparatus made up of glass containing anhydrous calcium chloride. Because of this anhydrous calcium chloride, there is no moisture remain in the coal. Instead of this, if we cool the coal in free air, it will again absorb the moisture from air. That's why we cool it in desiccator. And then the coal we get from there is moisture free coal. Then we weight this moisture free coal, suppose it is 1 gram. With the help of this weight, we calculate the moisture percent. So by this moisture free coal, we complete the next step for calculate the volatile matter percent. For this, we cover this moisture free coal by lid and we place it into a muffle furnace. That is the furnace where the temperature is very high. We place the coal in muffle furnace only for 7 minutes because we don't want to make the combustion of coal. Hence we put it just for 7 minutes. And we already covered the coal by lid, so without combusting coal we can remove all volatile matter from it. Before to get volatile free coal, we cool our coal in desiccator. Means before every step we have to cool our coal in desiccator. Then we get the volatile matter free coal as you can see in slide. After we weight the coal, suppose which is m2 gram, after every step we weight our coal. Now after getting volatile matter percent, we proceed our coal for burning process for the combustion of coal. So coal will be burned in open crucible for 30 minutes at 750 degrees Celsius temperature. This temperature can vary up to plus minus 20 degrees Celsius. So in this 30 minutes, all the burning part of coal will burn, but some part remain as ash or residue. Before getting residue, we want to cool our coal in desiccator, then weight the ash or residue. With the help of it, we calculate the residue percentage. So our procedure is completed here. We write the weight for calculations of first 3%, but for carbon percent we didn't write the weight. So after calculating this 3% and minus the 100 from them, we get the carbon percent. Now let's turn towards the calculations. We need all the weight for calculation. So we have weight of powdered air dried coal, which we already said m gram, weight of moisture free coal m1 gram, and third one is weight of volatile matter free coal, we considered it as m2 gram, and weight of ash or residue equals to m3 gram. Now we have four different weight, so with the help of this we can calculate our 4%. First one is moisture percent. Moisture percent we have to calculate in respect of total weight of fuel, which is m gram. So we have the moisture free coal is m1 and total is m gram. So in next slide, the formulas are given to calculate the four different categories. First one is moisture percent, second one is volatile matter percent, third one is ash percent, and on the basis of these three we can calculate the fourth category, which is fixed carbon percent. Now we completed our topic. Thank you.